Are you looking for to manage your Netflix subscription on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily manage the subscription of Netflix. First thing first, head over to the settings of your device. Inside the settings, head over to your Apple account. In this page, move into subscription. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. In this page, you will be able to see all the applications that you have bought the subscription of. If you have bought the subscription of Netflix, then it will be available to you in this page. All you're going to do is click on it. After that, scroll all the way down. You will be able to see different plans and premium of Netflix. If you want to change the plan, then click on Change Plan at the bottom of the screen. After that, follow the on-screen process. And if you want to cancel the subscription, tap on Cancel Membership. After that, click on Confirm. Once you've clicked on Confirm, your subscription will be removed and then you'll be good to go. So this is the page where you can change or manage your subscription. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.